darkness of carrying the shadows. We're on the front line, everyone's watching. Even if it's waiting, know that this isn't over. The best of time to beat it, to get it all, believe it. When you talk it up, when you talk it up, it's coming up, it's coming up. This time for tu casa, it's coming up, it's coming up, it's coming up. I know. 롱사흐대는 계승하고 렌리게리 나이게 세정 가세 나이 기리코 롱사흐대는 계승하고 바디 하더니 겔레그라프니 하간 코세 가자니 넬선 코세 가자니 넬선 Thank you.
Thank you. Gesundheit.
It was indeed an electrifying performance by Miss Gitashri.
Hello, check. Hello. Hello.
Champions, take the final love. Unify us, make us feel proud. In the streets of hate are lifting as we lose our inhibition. Celebration, it surrounds us. Every nation, all around us, singing forever young, singing songs underneath the sun. Let's rejoice in the beautiful game and together in the yard of the day. We all say, when I get older, I will be stronger. They call me freedom, just like a waving flag. Now wave your flag so
रोजा साबायखर गीताश्री बिथांजोनिसिम এটি বিশেষ ঘটনা যিসকলে ড্ৰোন উৰাই আছে ওপৰত তেওঁলোকক মই অনুৰোধ জনাব বিচাৰিছো খন্তেক সময়ৰ বাবে স্থগিত ৰাখে যেন ড্ৰোন যিসকলে উৰাই আছে তেওঁলোকক মই আকৌ এবাৰ অনুৰোধ জনাব বিচাৰিছো তেওঁলোকে যাতে এই সময়ত ড্ৰোন নুৰাই जो कोई भी अभी ड्रोन उड़ा रहे हैं उनसे मैं निवेदन करना चाहूंगी कि थोड़ी देर वो ड्रोन ना उड़ाए क्योंकि कुछ ही समय में हमारे एरो मॉडल्स उड़ेंगे ऊपर स्काई डाइविंग होगा तो इसीलिए मैं दोबारा निवेदन करना चाहूंगी कि वो अभी ड्रोन ना उड़ाए धन्यवाद
और गर्व की बात है कि हम 133वां
অশেষ ধন্যবাদ আপোনালোকক জ্ঞাপন কৰিছো ধন্যবাদ
Before we commence, let us take the privilege to introduce you to our esteemed dignitaries for the day.
We have Shri Pramod Boro, Chief Executive Member of the Bodoland Territorial Council. He has been in chair since 2020. Earlier to that, he was the president of All Bodo Students
Air
Union.
Defense Management Course and National Defense College. He's also a graduate of Swiss Army Chemical Warfare School and US Army Infantry School. The General Officer was commissioned in Fort Kumau in the year 1987. And with 37 years of experience, the General Officer has held various commands and staff appointments and is currently the General Officer Commanding-in-Chief, Eastern Command. We are pleased to have the presence of Air Marshal S.P. Dharkar, Param Vishisht Seva Medal, Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, Air Officer Commanding-in-Chief, Eastern Air Command. Sir was commissioned in Indian Air Force in the year 1985. Air Marshal is an alumnus of Rashtriya Indian Military College, Dehradun, National Defense Academy, Pune, Defense Services Staff College, Wellington, and Air War College, USA. He has a flying experience of over 3,600 hours on variety of fighter aircrafts. During his illustrious career, he has commanded a frontline fighter squadron and fighter flying training establishment, and has also instructional experience in conducting military education at Defense Services Staff College and College of Air Warfare, Secunderabad. He is currently the Air Officer Commanding-in-Chief, Eastern Air Command.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are honored to have Dr. Lothe Tshering, former Prime Minister of Bhutan, as our chief guest for today's grand opening of 133rd edition of Indian Oil Durand Cup. Dr. Tshering has been Prime Minister of Bhutan from 2018 to 2023. He is also the leader of Bhutan United Party since 2018. Prior to his politics, Sir was working in Zigme Donzi Wonchuk National Referral Hospital till 2013. We are also pleased to inform you that our Chief Sport and Youth Services Department and Excise and Narcotic Department, Government of Mizoram. Through his journalism and sports activities, he has been credited with revolution of football in Mizoram. He helped to establish the Mizoram Premier League, for which he is recognized as the father of Mizoram football. I am also pleased to let you all know that he is also the chairman, League Committee, All India Football Federation. Thank you.
12 Grenadiers Jazz Band. And on the saxophone is Subedar Diljit Singh. He will be playing a soothing and mesmerizing melody for you.
Hello, sir.
You're in the soldier, choosing our battles. Keep yourself out and dug yourself off, forgetting the shadows. We're on the front line, everyone's watching. Even if it's waiting. time for Kukrasal. Stamina, mina, stamina, I know,
I would also request Shri Pramod Boro to kindly felicitate Lieutenant General R.C. Tiwari, Uttam Youth Seva Medal, Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, Sena Medal, General Officer Commanding in Chief, Eastern Command.
I would now request the General Officer to kindly felicitate Shri Pramod Boro. I would also request Shri Pramod Boro to kindly felicitate Dr. Lote Shering, former Prime Minister of Bhutan. I would also request Shri Pramod Boro to kindly felicitate Air Marshal S.P. Dharkar, Param Vishisht Seva Medal, Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, Air Officer Commanding in Chief, Eastern Air Command.
I would also request Air Marshal to kindly felicitate Shri Pramod Boro, Chief, Bodoland Territorial Council.
I know
Kulumbai, Namaskar. Today, once again, I welcome all of you in the City of Peace, Kokrajhar, and the 133rd Durand Cup football tournament and second event in Bodoland. First of all, I thank Indian Army for giving this opportunity to the people of Bodoland to host this 133rd most prestigious football tournament of India as well as Asia to host in Kokrajhar. Today we have our guest, His Excellency Dosa Dr. Lothe Tshering, Bhutan के माननीय पूर्व प्रधानमंत्री, Honorable former Prime Minister of Bhutan. Our chief guest we have today Linghing Loba Marji, जो मिजोरम के खेल मंत्री है और ऑल इंडिया फुटबॉल फेडरेशन लीग कमेटी के अध्यक्ष है. We have Lieutenant General R.C. Tiwari ji, Air Marshal S.P. Dharkar ji, GOC 4 crore Manish Seri ji, and also we have our Eastern Command Indian Army Lieutenant General R.C. Srinath ji. We have our Speaker of Bodoland Territorial Council Katiram Boro ji, and our most honorable Professor Shirot Narzari, Honorable President of Bodo Sahitya Sabha, is here with us, and also dignitaries, invited guests, my friends, ladies and gentlemen, my colleagues, EM, MCLA, MLAs of Bodoland Territorial Council and Assam Assembly, our leaders of this 133rd event of Durand Cup in Kokrajhar, media friends, and people coming from different parts of the state and also Bodoland. I welcome all of you today in this prestigious tournament of Durand Cup in Kokrajhar. हम लोग बहुत खुश है कि फिर से दूसरी बार हम लोगों को यहाँ कोकराझार में जो फुटबॉल को प्रेमिक बहुत है, फुटबॉल खेल सदियों से यहाँ खेला गया है, ट्रेडिशनली हमारे लोग फुटबॉल खेले हैं और ये सारे जो परिस्थिति है, लोगों का उत्साह है, उमंग है, प्यार है, इसको देख के इंडियन आर्मी ने फिर से हमारे यहाँ डुरंड कप की होस्ट करने का मौका दिया है. लास्ट ईयर इंडियन आर्मी के अप्रोच को लेके हमारे मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर हिमंत बिश्व शर्मा जी ने मुझे बोला था कि कोकराझार में बहुत फुटबॉल प्रेमी है, कोकराझार में होस्ट करना चाहिए. तो लास्ट ईयर हम लोग ने विद इन 45 डेज ये छोटा सा एक स्टेडियम बना के यहाँ फुटबॉल की टूर्नामेंट ऑर्गेनाइज किए थे, लेकिन क्लाइमेट की वजह से, बारिश के वजह से हमारे यहाँ 2 मैच हो नहीं पाया था. तो हमारे लोगों के मन में बहुत दुख थे कि हमने जो इतना अच्छा एक प्रेस्टिजियस टूर्नामेंट है ये देखने को मौका नहीं मिला. तो इसीलिए इस साल में फिर हम लोग ने कोशिश किया कि ये स्टेडियम को डेवलप किया जाए और हम इसी साल में ये एक फीफा अप्रूव सैंड बेस यहाँ स्प्रिंकल लगाए हुए एक डेवलप फुटबॉल स्टेडियम का निर्माण किया. ये अवसर आप सब लोग ने दिया है, बीटीसी के जनता ने हम लोग को दिया है. मैं सबको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ. आज हमारे बीच में भूटान के पूर्व प्रधानमंत्री जी है, ये हमारे बीच में आया है. हम लोग बहुत खुश है. मैं सर को मैं स्वागत करता हूँ क्योंकि भूटान हमारे बहुत अच्छे जो नाइबर है और हमारे कंट्री के बहुत अच्छे एक रिश्ते हम लोग सदियों से हमारे जुड़े हुए हैं. और दुनिया के सबसे पीसफुल जो कंट्री है ये भूटान है और इंडिया भूटान का जो बॉर्डर है दुनिया के सबसे पीसफुल बॉर्डर है. तो आज मैं भूटान के फॉर्मर प्राइम मिनिस्टर जी को स्वागत करता हूं और हमारे बीच में एक ऐसे शक्तिशाली चीफ गेस्ट है जो मिजोरम के खेल मंत्री है, लेकिन काफी सालों से खेल को बढ़ावा देने के लिए खेल को आगे ले जाने के लिए उनने कहा बहुत काम किया है और वो भी हमारे बीच में आज है। मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बोलना नहीं चाहूँगा। बोडोलैंड ये पीसफुल हो गया है प्रधानमंत्री जी के आशीर्वाद से, गृह मंत्री जी के जो एक लंबी एक सोच है, उसने बहुत कठिन कदम उठाए हैं बोडोलैंड में शांति लाने के लिए। और बोडोलैंड के जो जनता है, बोडो से लेकर हर एक जनता, हर एक समुदाय एकजुट होकर बोडोलैंड में शांति लाया है। एक समय था आर्मी यहाँ शांति लाने के लिए ऑपरेशन करने के लिए आए थे, लेकिन आज इंडियन आर्मी हमारे नौजवानों के साथ फुटबॉल टूर्नामेंट ऑर्गेनाइज करने आया है। हमारे नौजवानों को एनकरेज करने आया है कि खेल के मैदान में सब लोग उतरना चाहिए, खेलना चाहिए, अपने लिए, देश के लिए खेलना चाहिए और समाज को आगे ले जाना चाहिए। मैं इंडियन आर्मी को फिर से धन्यवाद देता हूँ। बीटीआर की जो हमारे खेल विभाग है, हमारे EM दाऊबैसा जी है, हम लोग मिलके बीटीआर में फुटबॉल और अलग अलग जो खेल है इसको आगे ले जाने के लिए बहुत कोशिश किए गए हैं। मैं उम्मीद रखता हूं आने वाले समय में हम एकजुट होके बोडोलैंड को एक स्पोर्ट्स हब हम लोग बना पाएंगे और कोकराझार को हम एक स्पोर्ट्स हब हम लोग बना पाएंगे। मैं दोनों टीम जो नॉर्थ ईस्ट FC है और हमारा बोडोलैंड FC आज खेलेंगे, दोनों टीम को बधाई देता हूं। एक अच्छा माहौल हम लोग को मिलेगा, सुंदरता से, डिसिप्लिन से हम लोगों को एक खेल देखने को मिलेगा। मैं सबको स्वागत करके, खास करके जनता को जो इतना धूप में, इतना हमारा जो मौसम इतना गर्म है, फिर भी आप लोग आके हम लोग को जो एनकरेज किया है, सपोर्ट दिया है, मैं सबको धन्यवाद देके बड'फा उपेन्द्रनाथ ब्रह्म जी को धन्यवाद देके मैं समाप्त करना चाहता हूँ। बयनिसिमबो आं साबायखर बावदों। जोबोद गुदुङावबो नोंथांमोना फैनानै बाहागो लाफैदों आरो दिनै एशियानि सबसे गोजाम जि फुटबल खेला, फुटबल गेलेनाय, बियो नैथि खेबनि थाखाय क'क्राझाराव दिनै खुंजादों। मुलुगनि 16 हादोराव बे खेलाखौ नायगोन आरो क'क्राझारखौ, बड'लेण्डखौ मुलुगनि मानसिफ्रा बे डुरान्ड कापनि गेजेरजोंनो नायनो मोनगोन। दा नंखायनो बे खाबुखौ होनायनि थाखाय आं बे गुबैयै इण्डियान आर्मिखौ साबायखर बावदों। মই ইণ্ডিয়ান আৰ্মিক ধন্যবাদ জনাইছো আগতে আৰু লগতে কোকৰাঝাৰৰ বডোলেণ্ডৰ সকলো ৰাইজক ধন্যবাদ জনাইছো। বহুত গৰম বতৰতো আপোনালোকে আহি আমাৰ যি সেকেন্ড ডুৰান্ড কাপ কোকৰাঝাৰত হৈছে, যি শান্তিৰ নগৰীত আপোনালোকে সহযোগ কৰিছে আৰু এনেকা একত্ৰিত হৈ আগবাঢ়ি গ'লে অকল খেলৰ জগতত নহয়, আমি শিক্ষা দীক্ষা সামাজিক পৰিৱৰ্তন সকলো দিশতে আগবাঢ়ি যাব পাৰিম। মই আপোনালোকক বহুত ধন্যবাদ জনাইছো আৰু আহি থকা খেলবিলাকক আপোনালোকে আহি আমাক উৎসাহিত কৰিব আৰু খেল জগতখন আগুৱাই নিয়াত আপোনালোকে সবে অংশগ্ৰহণ কৰিব, হেতুকে আশা কৰি মই সকলোকে ধন্যবাদ জনাইছো। ধন্যবাদ, বৈকব সাবাইখৰ বাউবাই। জয় হিন্দ।
Thank you so much, sir, for such encouraging words.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is an honor to welcome our chief guest, Mr. P.U. Langhing Lobahmar, to kindly enlighten us with his words of wisdom on the occasion of 133rd Indian Oil Durand Cup 2024. We request, sir, to kindly address the audience.
Sri Pramod Borong, Air Marshal SP Dhaka, Lieutenant General R.C. Tiwari, Lieutenant General Mani Seri, His Excellency Mr. Lotai Shering, dignitaries present here, and the people of Bodoland. I thank you to have me as a chief guest in this 133rd edition of Durand Cup. I am overwhelmed with the kind of support the Bodoland people are giving for the promotion of this beautiful football. Not only that, the kind of helping hands they are getting from Indian Army is immense. I came here not as a politician, not as a sport administrator, but I came here as a sport lover, particularly as a football fan. Growing up, I was a football fan. Becoming a football administrator, accidentally, reluctantly becoming a politician, and now, as I declare myself a football fan for life, I am here witnessing a beautiful football setup to be played in the hot summer afternoon of this beautiful city of Kokrajhar. This is the power of sports, this is the power of football, which brings together all these people in this warm summer afternoon. I was talking with a general who is sitting with me that this place was filled with bloodshed. We heard gunfires, we heard bombs. Those were the days. But in the very city which was disturbed by insurgencies for many years, we are going to witness a beautiful football under the peaceful atmosphere organized by none other than the Indian Army, which is something to be proud of. I thank the Indian Army for organizing this beautiful football in the Kokrajhar city. And I would like to say that this is a reward for peace. Having come from a state of Mizoram, which is a very small state in terms of population and in terms of area as well, 11 lakhs population, but producing as many as 40 plus players consistently in the ISL and I-League. In the recently concluded FIFA World Cup qualifiers, out of the 22-member squad, 4 of them are from the tiny state of Mizoram. So if Mizoram can produce a talent which is good enough to play at the national level, I'm sure that Bodoland will be able to produce such talents in the future. And I can say with confidence, with the likes of stars which you have in the form of Mr. Nazari and the other top players in the ISLs coming from this Bodoland, I'm sure that there are many youngsters who are willing to follow their footpath and who has the potential to play at the top level of Indian football. If Mizoram is of any help to Bodoland and for Assam football, we are there to support you. I would like to conclude by saying again a big thank you to Bodoland Territorial Council, Assam Football Association, the government of Assam, and of course Indian Army for having me here as a chief guest. I wish all the participating team a big success, and especially the clubs who are playing here in this Kokrajhar version of the Durand Cup to come out with the flying colors in the final to be played elsewhere. I wish the team, especially from this region, the very best in the tournament to come. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for such motivational speech.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are delighted to present a special fusion of dance forms celebrating the vibrant traditions of diverse communities. This performance seamlessly blends the rich art forms of Dausri Delai Bihu, showcasing their distinct yet harmonious essence. This fusion dance epitomizes the unity in diversity that defines our cultural landscape, where each community contributes its unique flavor to our nation's cultural tapestry. Let us welcome the cultural troupe of Bodoland. Dausri Delai means lovebirds, and Delai refers to the dress that they wear, a traditional dance form from Bodo in Assam. It features women dancing like birds and professing their love. Thank you. are from the team based in Indore. Their slick designs and precise control create a truly spectacular display. Each maneuver showcases their exceptional skill and dedication, transforming the sky into a canvas of aerodynamic artistry. Prepare to be amazed by their impressive aerial choreography.
Accompanying this pose, we have a team of paramotors. Directing your attention as the paramotors showcase their skills from Parachute Regiment Center, Bangalore, led by Havaldar Sombir. As paramotors are used in operation tasks, it also has its significance in sports. बिहू नृत्य की मिठास है, असम का दिल, धरोहर और धड़कन है. थैंक यू सो मच टू ऑल आवर लवली आर्टिस्ट. इंडियन आर्मी जंग के मैदान में तो श्रेष्ठ और कौशल है ही, बल्कि भारतीय सेना के जवान सब श्रेणियों में निपुण हैं. The Indian Army draws its strength from every corner of the nation, embodying unity in diversity. To celebrate this, we embark on a cultural journey with our soldiers, showcasing glimpses of India's diverse heritage. First, let us welcome the team of 21 Bihar performing Purulia Chau dance. This amazing dance form is performed during the Sun Festival and has extensive usage of masks shaped in the form of specific characters being played. So let us welcome 21 Bihar.
लिए ड्रोन चलाना बंद करें। कृपया कुछ देर के लिए ड्रोन चलाना बंद करें। कुछ ही देर में फ्लाई पास्ट होगा। जो भी ड्रोन ऑपरेट कर रहे हैं उनसे कृपया निवेदन कर रही हूँ कि वो थोड़ी देर बंद करें ड्रोन चलाना। What an exhilarating performance by 21 Bihar. A huge round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to experience the infectious energy of Bhangra dance by 11 Siklai and 29 Punjab. Hailing from the vibrant Punjab, Bhangra is a celebration of life, love and the rich cultural heritage of the land. We welcome the team from 11 Siklai.
Next we have Kalaripattu fighters performing on the beats of Chenda drums by 4, 9 and 25 Madras and by Miss Priyasi, often hailed as the mother of all martial arts, originating from Kerala.
जोरदार तालियों से अभिनंदन करते हैं इस अद्भुत पेशकश के लिए मद्रास रेजिमेंट और मिस बियासी की ओर से। Ladies and gentlemen, up next, we have a very talented singer, Miss Geetashri, also known as the Bodoland Shakira. And now, as promised earlier, she will be performing Waka Waka song for all of you. Let's welcome Miss Geetashri.
Everyone dance, come on! You're a good soldier, choosing your battles. Beat yourself up and dust yourself off again in the shadows. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. Your next is working closer, distant over. The praise is gone, you feel it. You got it all, believe it. When you fall, get up, oh. If you fall, get up, hey. Stamina, mina, sangalewa. This time for Bodole. Stamina, mina, hey, hey. Stamina, mina, sangalewa. I know, stamina, mina, hey. Stamina, mina, sangalewa. This time for Bodole. Everyone dance, come on. This is our motto. You're going to shine, going to light, vamos por todo. People are raising their expectations. Gonna feed them this your moment, no hesitation. It's your day, I feel it. You paved the way, believe it. Take it down, get up, oh, take it down, get up, hey, stamina, mina, sangale. This time for Bodole. Stamina, mina, hey, stamina, mina, sangalewa. I know, I went on my journey, picky, mama, what, to say. This is the machine, picky, mama, from east to west. Mati, wakawakuma, wakawakuma, Shaki, swim, mati, buoy. That is Bodole. Stamina, mina, wakawaka, stamina, mina, sangalewa. I know, everyone.
Correctly titled as Bodoland Shakira.
आइए एक बार मिलकर स्वागत करते हैं 12 ग्रेनेडियर्स के जैज बैंड का, जो आपके लिए एक अनोखा मिश्रण पेश करने जा रहे हैं।
Hello.
जब जाके कहीं हमने
These drones जो उड़ा रहा है उसको नीचे करके fly past होने वाला है.
केसरी रंग
I
सजाया
would request drone handlers to kindly get their drones down immediately. Fly past होने वाला है.
मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौगंध सहे महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी रहे न रहे ऐ मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे भीगा ना पड़े
Ladies and gentlemen, directing your gaze towards the south direction of the sky, a breathtaking spectacle unfolds as the Indian Army aviators from 604 Independent Aviation Brigade showcase their prowess. Witness the seamless coordination of two cheetahs.
मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल
Witness the seamless coordination of two cheetah from 667 Army Aviation Squadron, commanded by Colonel P.S. Rathore, Sena Medal, moving in a tactical formation carrying the national flag of India and Durand Cup flag, skillfully maneuvered by the commanding officer himself and Captain Prasanna Kumar, and the second aircraft by Lieutenant Colonel Tushar Sharma and Major Sankshev. Following these in a tactical formation are the two light combat helicopters known as Prachand, which is an agile and potent rotorcraft designed for combat operations in diverse terrains. Led by Lieutenant Colonel Ranveer Grewal and Major Arvinder, and the second one by Lieutenant Colonel Tushar Badane and Major Savid. And last but not the least are the two advanced light helicopters, also known as Dhruv. Leading aircraft is piloted by Lieutenant Colonel H.S. Tanwar and Major Vishal Singh, and the second aircraft by Major Rahul Chaudhary and Major Rakesh Vashisht from 206 Army Aviation Squadron, the Indomitables. The Army Aviation Corps has been an integral part of the Kargil War, Operation Pavan, from rescue operations to recce operations. They are deployed in every terrain, be it glaciers or deserts. Ladies and gentlemen, brace yourself to witness the formidable power of light combat helicopter, also known as Prachand. Watch as the first helicopter dives in for a high-speed attack. Delivering a barrage of TNT rockets onto the target. The light combat helicopter. Following closely, another light combat helicopter strikes the enemy, boldly displaying its aggression. Finally, watch in awe as the last helicopter dives down to the stage,
Jai!
delivering a spectacular and definitive conclusion to this thrilling demonstration. एक अविश्वसनीय पेशकश 12 ग्रेनेड्स के जैज बैंड और हमारे सारे आर्टिस्ट और इंडियन आर्मी एविएशन कोर की तरफ से।
As we all know that today the match will be between Bodoland FC and Northeast United FC. I'll read out the names. Jersey number 2, Bilson Deimari from Bodoland FC. Jersey number 3, Dansarang Basumatari. Jersey number 4, Wang Boklang Linko. Jersey number 5, Frank Nana Kofi Adote. Jersey number 8, Ningthauza Momocha Singh. Jersey number 9, Benjamin Nana Teche. Jersey number 10, Zo Adido. Jersey number 12, Zakari Mimanda. Jersey number 15, Mithinga Deimari. Jersey number 21, Birkhang Deimari. Jersey number 27, Arjun Mardi. Substitutes for Bodoland FC. Jersey number 7, Jigyas Deka. Jersey number 11, Sibra Narzari. Jersey number 14, Diliram Sanyasi. Jersey number 17, Jungla Brahmo. Jersey number 18, Samdan Deimari. Jersey number 25, Timothy Narzari. Jersey number 35, Ringkhang Deimari. Jersey number 37, Rajiv Boro. Jersey number 50, Maneshwar Musahari. We have the team coach for Bodoland FC, Khilan Pirkat Siamle. We have the team manager for Bodoland FC, Zyklong Brahmo. Referee for Bodoland FC, referee number 1, Christopher Claudius Peter. Referee assistant 2, Parmeshwar Gope. Fourth official, Surajit Das. We have the team for Northeast United FC, jersey number 1, Gurmeet. Jersey number 2, Sairasham Dinesh Singh. Jersey number 3, Jangse Pam Tongdoba Singh. Jersey number 5, Hamza Regraki. Jersey number 6, Muhammad Ali Bemamur. Jersey number 9, Guillermo Fernandez Hero. Jersey number 10, Nestor Albiak Roger. Jersey number 11, Parthib Sundar Gogoi. Jersey number 12, Ashir Akhtar. Jersey number 13, Muthu Irulandi, Mai Ayankanan. Jersey number 18, Zitin MS. Jersey number substitutes for Northeast United FC, jersey number 15, Marcanto Lewis Nixon. Jersey number 16, Ankit P. Jersey number 17, Robin Yadav. Jersey number 19, Huidrom Toy Singh. Jersey number 22, Ridim Tlang. Jersey number 23, Beke Oram. Jersey number 26, Konsam Palguni Singh. Jersey number 30, Laishram Danny Maite. Jersey number 32, Mirshad Kutupunna. Jersey number 77, Boang Thaklong Samte. Team coach for Northeast United FC, Zuan Pedro Ben Ali Hamau. Team manager, Sahashad Muhammad Makingal. Match commissioner, Ravi Shankar Jayaraman. Referee accessor, Rawan Aramugan.
We would like to make a special mention about our sponsors who helped in bringing this 133rd edition of Indian Oil Durand Cup 2024 to grand success. Co-sponsored by SBI, associate sponsor Dabur, Amul and JIS Group. Gifting partner, American Tourister and Cello. Official ball partner, Nivea. Broadcast partner, Sony Sports Network. OTT partner, Sony Live. Ticketing partner, Book My Show. Tournament producer, Cherry Tree. We thank you all for your cooperation.
May I also announce the color of Bodoland FC is yellow. The color for Northeast United FC is white. Bodoland FC ni thakai Gama are Northeast United FC ni thakai Gufur.
Now it is time for the moment we all were eagerly waiting for. The kick-off for the opening ceremony of 133rd edition of Indian Oil Durand Cup 2024. But before that, requesting your attention as the three flags, the Eastern Command flag, the Durand Cup flag and the FIFA Fair Play flag is being carried to the ground along with the team members of today's match. Under two programs, the Sports Training Center for athletes aged 10 to 18 and sports area games to develop talent from tribal, rural, hilly and coastal areas. Sai STC Kokrajhar caters to both local residents and individuals from outside who have a passion for sports training. The Kokrajhar Sai Stadium has been upgraded to a stand-based advanced FIFA-approved football ground with high-tech smart sprinkler and smart internal drainage system. It is the first facility of its kind in Northeast India. We need some Josh. So everyone, how's the Josh? I can't hear you. How's the Josh? मुझे अभी भी सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है. How's the Josh?
बयबो खेबसे गोबारै आखाइ खबनानै होनो थाखाय आङो गुरैयै खावलायनाय जाबाय.
Ladies and gentlemen, behold as the three prestigious trophies of the Durand Cup 24 are being carried to the tracks.
We would request our chief guest to kindly kick the ball and declare this 133rd edition of Indian Oil Durand Cup 2024 open. We would request our chief guest to kindly kick the ball and declare this 133rd edition of Indian Oil Durand Cup 2024 Kokrajhar open. A huge round of applause, please. Kokrajhar for the second time, Durand Cup 2024. শ্ৰদ্ধেয় ৰাইজ খুব বেছি গৰম হৈ আছিল এতিয়া বৰষুণ আৰম্ভ হৈছে কণ্টেক্ট পিছতেই আমাৰ খেল আৰম্ভ হ'বহি আপোনালোকে যাতে আমাৰ লগতে থাকে